guys, you're welcome. This is Trader Sebran here, and we are on week 25, and I'm talking on Euro USD forecast. So this is our weekly forecast on Euro USD. If you're joining us for the first time and you haven't watched the forecast I've done on GBP USD, I want you to go watch that video and spend time to study, because trading GBP USD and Euro USD, a lot of times you have correlations with them. So it's going to be very easy to understand the two pairs. So whenever you understand the two forecasts, you know exactly what to do trading any of the pair. Okay. Now, if you are joining us for the first time, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also ensure you join our Telegram group. The official Telegram group is in the link description here. The link is in the description of this video, because we have a lot of fake accounts coming up. It's all over the internet. I mean, people are just using my name and my avatar, my ID. They are just creating some kind of, I don't know, terrible. But you need to be very careful. Okay, be very careful whom you're following, because I will not ask you to trade your account. I will not ask you to invest in any crypto or any investment scheme. There's nothing like that in my portfolio, in my trading. So none of that. And I only trade one pair. You guys know I only trade GBP USD. So if anyone is doing anything or sharing or asking you to do anything outside this, asking you to bring your money in, or listen, guys, stay away from there, because that's not me. If you're not seeing this face on any of those Telegram group, then that is not me. Stay away from there, especially if they're asking you, sending information to invest or something. Do not do it. Okay, stay away from there. And if they are sending several chart analysis in the group, that's not me. I only send GBP USD analysis on my group, and that's it. I am the only one that send analysis in that group. Actually, nobody else sent analysis in the group. So I only send GBP USD. And sometimes very few occasions where I send in Euro USD. But mainly I only send this one. So I want you to please, okay, please, guys, be very careful with your funds, with your hard-earned money. Okay, learn how to trade. That's the best way. Learn how to trade and you'll be better off. Okay, now we're looking at Euro USD on top here. You can see we're on the weekly time frame. I'm doing a top-down analysis on days to let you know what we should be expecting. As you can see already on the weekly time frame, we are uptrend, bullish. And also we have a sign there telling us that we should be going to the upside buying. So we are establishing a bullish trend. How? First of all, we just saw market broke this structure. That was the first break of structure, and we had a pullback. And then we had another pullback, a push-up, which broke the structure, another structure break, and then we had a pullback. What do you think? The market is going up. So right now, where is it going? First, we want to look at the potential retracement that may happen. Will be somewhere around here. So we're looking at this head zone here. Okay, we're looking at that key area that potential market will get to, because we saw break of structure. So of course we might have a support here. We have a resistance here, sorry. There's a resistance here level, okay? This is what we're looking at. And also we have potential, obviously this is support, the major support that you're looking at, recent support, okay, that we're looking at, that makes us to think we are still going to go higher. Now, looking at this on the weekly time frame, we are now setting that we are expecting a more bullish momentum, even with the candle that just ended the week. This is a weekly candle that just ended. We can see that is a very strong bullish engulfing candle. So let's move to the daily and see what we have on the daily. Now, on the daily, we have a very strong potential buy that is going on right now. First of all, we have this massive momentum to the upside, and it appears it's still going up unless there is a retracement around this level, which I'm going to just highlight in a minute. So except price retrace at this key level. So we should be expecting price action here. All right. But I think this is liquidity level that the market is going to tap into, and tap into it big, except we start having a pullback. If we have any reasonable pullback, then watch out. But I doubt if this pullback may hold. All right. I doubt if this might just be an inside bar candle. Okay. So what I'm expecting, that price may eventually head up or pull back a little bit into the zone a little bit and then begin to head back up. That could possibly happen. So we should expect that. Why did I highlight that zone? It is very simple. If you check to the left, you see that price came at this level and then rejected before going back up. So he left a block there, an order from that level. So price may come down, use that as a support. So we see this. If I remove this, let me show you something quickly. If I remove that price action, you will notice that that will be a kind of a resistance block right there. This is a resistance, right? But the market smashed through it. So if you check, it smashed through it. So it broke through that level. So that could be a potential support. All right. The market could eventually come back down, take that as a support and smash through the liquidity level. That could be a possible buy. But all the same, we are looking for more buys. So what I want you to do is let's move to the 4-hour time frame to show you a clearer picture of what I'm looking at. Okay, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we're having consolidation. So we have a little brief of consolidation here. So what do you do with this? Let me show you what to do with this. Now, what you want to do is to first of all create the support level, which the market gave. Market created a support using the body, and then the market created a what? Okay, created another resistance. So we have resistance and support. Now, price is trading inside this zone right now. What we want to see on the 4-hour time frame is a break either above or below. Now, the market will break below. I'm anticipating that could be, or consolidate a while inside it before breaking either the directions. But remember, we are looking at a bullish momentum. This is a bullish market. The trend line is obvious. We can see it's a bullish market. Okay, it's a bullish market, but there could be a potential pullback into this because of this strong momentum of an imbalance. So the market may pull back into any of this zone, like this key level here, and then before heading back up. Remember, we had this key level from a higher time frame. So let's adjust it properly now on this level here. So we could see price coming to this level, price drop, break this level, and then eventually take up again to the upside. This could happen. So remember, this is 4-hour time frame. For those of you scalping it, you can actually scalp the sell to that level and wait for price action to buy from there. And all the way, you are looking for more buys until we hit that liquidity level, which we saw on a higher time frame. Now, if you measure, let's say price move from here to that place, that's about 100 pips over there. And if price pull back and move from here to that level, that would be about 150 pips right there, which is a great trade for the week to take home with you. So I will expect to take, let me see. Will I rather sell from here just for 45 pips, or I will wait for the market to drop 40 pips and then look for a buy to catch about what? Maybe about 110 pips, 115 pips, or 120 pips. Which one is better? I'll rather wait for price to pull back and then I'll take my buys. I think that's what I would do. So I hope you understand how this thing works. It's just a little bit of change, thinking. Just understand how the market play out and how is, how you want to go with it. So for me, that's what I would do. Now you can see already we are no more looking for sales. It's very important. We are looking for buys now. This is a buy market, even on the 4-hour time frame. If I go to the 1-hour time frame, it's speaking the same language. Is a buy market, strong buys, okay? Strong buys. We had a channel before on the 1-hour that was broken, okay? Could use that method. We had a channel that was broken right there. And then you see, this is a good one here on the 1-hour. So you can see possible that price may come back and pull back into the zone and then head back. Okay, that can happen. That possibly can happen. So I'm not sure, but I'm expecting a break out of this level and then price come back here and then we can have a push to the upside. Remember, we are looking for more buys. So that is what I think on Euro USD. And let's look at the fundamentals again. We have that on the 19th, which is a Monday. There is no news. So on Tuesday, there is no much news. Then on Wednesday, we start having some market coming in on the CPI coming in, USD coming in. There's a little reports there coming in. And then on Thursday, which is a big market fundamental news, is coming in on Thursday, massive one. So pay attention to it. And also on Friday. So Thursday, Friday trades, I would say be very careful. If you don't know what you're doing, stay away from the market. For those of you that know what you're doing, enjoy the ride, but always look for opportunity to catch the momentum to the upside because it's a bullish market that we're looking at throughout this week. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I believe you enjoyed this whole forecast on the market, and I expect you to trade wisely, trade with what you can afford to lose. Okay, I'll see you in week 26. Bye for now.